Well, first of all, let me thank the Honorable Minister for finding time to come, not only him, with all the relevant, MDs of various departments, DGs, and also the special advisor of the president. Definitely, yes, the vision of Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu of $1 trillion economy, I think is is the best, and it will be achieved. It's achievable. And that's why when we took out from that vision of 1 trillion to carve our own vision, which we have seen that, yes, we can do $100 billion out of that 1 trillion, which is 10%. And it's achievable. And I must also thank His Excellency, Mr. President, for appointing people like Senator, for making sure, that he's committed. We have had a lot of ministers of industry, Minister of Industry, Trade and Investment, Minister of State, but commitment that we have from him, I can tell you, is none compared to the rest. His commitment is absolute. Even if you have taken, before we used to go and fight with government to put somebody from Manufacturers Association as a minister, we've had them. But those ones that we have had them, with respect to them, he is more committed than those ones. So I must thank you for your commitment. I must thank you for making sure that the vision of Mr. President is going to be achieved through your ministry, because your ministry is the one that will create employment. It's the one that will attract investment. And the only area of the ministry which we are keeping quiet on is trade. That trade will get there. When we get to 1 trillion, then we will trade our production out of Nigeria.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.